the son of former slaveholders to be able to sit together at the table of brotherhood. I have a dream that one day, even the state of Mississippi, a state filtering with the heat of injustice, filtering with the heat of oppression, will be transformed into an oasis of freedom and justice. I have a dream that little children will one day live in a nation where they will not be judged by the color of their skin, but by the content of their character. I have a dream today.
I have a dream that one day down in Alabama, with its vicious races,
With its governor having his lips dripping with the words of interposition and nullification. One day, right there in Alabama, little black boys and black girls will be able to join